Sean, happy birthday. I just want to say thank you for all the... Remember once it was Simon's 30th birthday and he said that effort is what is, how do you say, fundamental in any relationship that you make. And I want to thank you for making such a big effort with Mother City Mayhem, with my friends, with me as well. So, dude, rock on. Happy birthday.
Hi Sean, happy freaking birthday. Yeah, I'm not very good at video messaging, so I hope it's awesome. I hope the flight was good, your house is still standing, and yeah, alles goed is. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sean. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sean.
Hallo Sean, herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Happy Birthday. Hey Sean, it's your birthday. Hey Sean, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Coach. We love you. Happy birthday, Sean.